Metal Shark's Jeanerette, Louisiana production facility is dedicated to the serialized construction of trailerable vessels for militaries and first responders. With a veteran workforce specializing in rapid and repeatable high-quality construction, Metal Shark's Jeanerette facility has produced over 600 vessels for the U.S. Coast Guard and over 500 vessels for the U.S. Navy. This 15-acre campus carries a U.S. government security facility clearance and houses over 60,000 square feet of enclosed manufacturing space. The fully self-contained facility has been optimized for efficiency and houses all aspects of production from start to finish in a single location. This allows Metal Shark to consistently produce up to 200 boats per year in strict adherence to demanding delivery timelines. The process begins in Metal Shark's engineering offices, where each boat is 100% digitally designed down to the smallest detail. Nested cut files are exported from the engineering office to the router shop, where aluminum components are precision cut by a pair of 8-foot by 30-foot CNC routers. Once they've been cut, parts are organized into kits and staged in carts outside the welding shop. Parts that require bending are sent next door to the press shop, where they are shaped on a 6-foot, 150-ton CNC press brake or 14-foot, 200-ton press brake. All parts are carefully inspected and clearly identified before being released to the welding shop. The Jeanerette welding shop features over 15,000 square feet of production space dedicated to aluminum fitting and welding. Miller Electric, MIG Pulse, and TIG welding machines are used throughout. A pair of 5-ton overhead gantry cranes may be used separately or in tandem to lift a concentrated load of up to 10 tons. Metal Shark utilizes specially fabricated steel hull and pilot house jigs to assure consistent tolerances and repeatable results. Throughout the welding process, careful attention is paid to component installation sequencing to control heat and assure precise tolerances with minimum deformation. Small parts and subcomponents, including consoles, swim platforms, tops, rails, and fuel tanks, are fabricated in the TIG welding shop, which features 3 2-ton swing arm cranes and a CNC-controlled router for shaping pipe and other extrusions. Once major welding is complete, boats head to the paint shop for hull side paint if required, anti-fouling, and interior coating, and then are moved into the outfitting shop. Here, over 20,000 square feet of production space is dedicated to the installation of wiring, plumbing, engines, controls, electronics, and other components. Dedicated pre-rigging areas with workbenches and stations allow wiring harnesses and electronics panels to be fabricated outside of the vessel for easier and more precise assembly. The stock room runs parallel to the outfitting department to assure that all parts are kept secure, yet within easy reach when needed. Jeanerette's on-site upholstery shop produces seat cushions, upholstered panels, and canvas covers, custom-made and tailor-fit for each vessel. Jeanerette's finishing shop puts the final touches on each build. Windshields, interior panels, and upholstery are installed here. Careful attention is given to fit and alignment. Labels and placards produced in Jeanerette's engraving shop are also installed here. Jeanerette's boat ramp and test pond allow for on-site engine light-off and commissioning. All systems are tested in full, and any required adjustments are made on site prior to sending each vessel to Vermilion Bay for sea trial. Throughout the entire production cycle, from the ordering of long lead time items to the successful delivery of each new unit, careful planning, know-how, and discipline are at the core of every process. The men and women of Metal Shark pride themselves on delivering advanced craft for critical missions, providing world-class combatant craft and patrol boats for the U.S. Armed Forces and allies, along with purpose-built patrol craft and fireboats for our first responder customers. Metal Shark is honored to support those who serve and protect.